Hello everyone, my name is Sang, and this is my very first YouTube video in any categories, and this is about programming in Python. Um, there's many tools out there freely available to program in Python, and the one that I recommend is called Pycharm. So let's launch our browser, doesn't matter which one it is, and then at the search address bar type Pycharm, hit enter, and then click on the first link, and then by the way, this is free, so go ahead and click on download now button. So you have two choices. The free one is community, so we click that one, download, and then you see this pop-up window on Microsoft Edge browser. Other browsers have a slightly different messaging mechanism. So I'm gonna hit run, and then this will depends on your internet download speed. Once it hit 100, it will launch its installer, so I can install the IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and Python also has it's an interpreted language, and which means you can get results right away. And has its own tool called idle. So let's go back to the installation process. I click yes, and then click next, and then you specify which destination folder you want the Pycharm to be installed. I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Next, and I'm gonna install this is for shortcut. If you want a shortcut icon, then put a check mark here for 64, check mark here for 32-bit. And if you want this Pycharm to be your default editor for all file that has the extension .py, because .py stands for Python scripts. They call it scripts files. So I'm just gonna create associations. It's no big deal if you don't have to. And then if you want to choose start menu folder, you can do so now. You hit install, and it's gonna install. And Python is what they consider as a sort of like a language of choice for full stack web development. So it's very elegant and simplistic. So I highly recommend you learn Python with me. And so I'm gonna run Pycharm. If I click finish. Okay, and it's loading. Okay, now this Pycharm product, if you're familiar with Google Android Studio, you're somewhat you can sense the similarity of the IDE look and feel, because if you see here 2017, it's by JetBrains. So this company developed this product, and they also sort of responsible for the Android Studio as well. So anyway, so I'm on here. I'm gonna end this session with by printing "Hello World" to the console output window. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to new project, and then you specify your file name at a folder that you want to put that file into. So I'm gonna name this file Hello World. I recommend to name your file somewhat relevant to what you are what you need to accomplish at that moment. And then hit create, and then I'm just gonna put open current window, and then I'm gonna maximize the IDE, and I'm gonna expand this Hello World, and then I'm gonna hit new, and then I'm just gonna choose Python file. I'm gonna name it Hello World. Hit return. So now the hello world.py is set. So just to recap, I have a project folder called Hello World, and inside that project folder I have a Hello World file, script file, that has a file extension .py. So how do I print Hello World on the console output window? Just simply use the reserved word print, and it gives you sort of this code completion or IntelliSense, the sort of a shortcut. You can just click on it. It gives you the sort of like a boilerplate or skeleton code, and you just plug in what you need to put it there, like the string of text. The string of text in this case would be hello world. And then what I'm going to do is, here's a run menu. You can either choose this, or if you prefer to type on the keyboard, you can press down Alt Shift F10. I'm just going to use this menu by clicking and run Hello World. As you can see right here, Hello World is displayed on the console output window. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you at the next tutorial.